In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from the Lightroom mobile app. First, open the Lightroom app on your phone or tablet. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your library can sync. It helps to have a stable internet connection and the latest app update installed, but once Lightroom loads, you're ready to go. Next, browse your library and tap the photo you want to print. Take a moment to confirm it's the final version you want. Printing works best when the image is fully edited and cropped the way you intend it to appear on paper. Look along the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and make any edits you prefer. This is a great time to fine-tune exposure and contrast, adjust white balance for accurate color, and apply your favorite preset for a consistent look. Consider cropping to match common print sizes like 4x6, 5x7, or 8x10 so your composition won't be cut off. If you see distracting spots, use the healing tool to clean them up and add a touch of sharpening to bring out detail. A subtle vignette can also help keep attention in the frame. When your photo looks just right, tap the share icon at the top right. On iOS, it's the box with an upward arrow. On Android, it's the connected dots or share symbol. From the menu that appears, choose Share. This routes your edited image to your device's system options without exporting an extra copy you don't need. Your device's share sheet will open. Scroll through the available actions and tap Print. If you don't see it immediately, swipe across the app icons or tap More to reveal additional actions. Printing relies on your device's built-in print service, so it helps if your printer is already set up and visible to your phone. In the print preview, select your Wi-Fi enabled printer and make sure your device and printer are on the same network. Adjust the number of copies and, if your printer allows, confirm options like paper size, color or black and white, borderless printing, and orientation. Check the preview to ensure your crop matches the paper. If edges look clipped, cancel, tweak the crop in Lightroom, and return to print. When everything looks good, tap Print and your photo will start printing. That's it. Open Lightroom, pick your photo, refine your edits, share to the system sheet, choose Print, select your printer and settings, and send it. For the best results, use photo paper that matches your settings, and remember that screens are often brighter than prints, so a small exposure reduction can improve accuracy. Happy printing!